Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Toyota 86 GT Coupe, stock reference number 4587. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand headlight to be confirmed on damage. Left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror, light scuffs. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left door has a couple of small dents. Left tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has only one small dent. Right power door mirror also has a few scuffs on the cover, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, or leather and suede. Center console, auto type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sun interior mirror, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.